So, yeah. Hey guys, we, yeah, right. Yeah. So, yeah, so today, that was just, and, yeah, so go to the night market, like, that's like Burnaby and Vancouver, Richmond. You might know that place, but you should know it's in Richmond because it is in Richmond. The night market's in Richmond. Well, at least the one that's here. I think there are a bunch of other night markets or places. So yeah. So if you go there, then you know like there's like this icy bar place. It's a place called Icy Bar there. It was there last year too. If you don't remember that, I ate there last year, and there's like this thing called mango icy, I think. Well, yeah. So after you can actually make that by yourself at home. So what you need is basically just some like these slices. So just get a bowl and then get some crushed ice, and then get a mango, and then like like when you open it, it's like they already have these like things that are almost sliced up already. Just like cut the pieces up.
这是我弄的，你以为芒果打开就是这样？你要自己切的。
Oh yeah, so just chop it up into small pieces. Like don't do the skin. Do not do the skin. You do not want skin in your mango icy. But anyways, once you've taken care of that, you need some vanilla ice cream or any type of ice cream you want. I'd say vanilla is the best because that's what they used. I want a taste of this ice cream right now. Anyone? Okay, just need some ice cream. We are using Breyers. This is French. There it is. This is French vanilla. Real ice cream. All natural flavors and colors. Okay, taste this.
你马上就可以了。
Oh yeah. So first of all, get a bowl, put crushed ice in, and get some slices of mangoes. Don't get the skin in, and get some ice cream. Next, so I think we also need some mango juice because that was in there.
No, we don't have mango juice.
We could just blend some up. Okay. Then you just need we need like round. Like they have to be like round. I mean, we could like get a few scoops and turn it into a round one.
No.
Aww. Why can't you just try it?
Why don't you try it?
Okay, first. Then you have to record for me. Okay, so just try best to make a circle. My mom is already giving up on the idea. Ow! No. Okay.
好了，再多就太多了。
Well, that works as well. I'm doing okay. Well, I scoop some mango onto it, and this side. Yeah, this is the best that we can do. There, see? That's about the shape you want. That's about the shape you want. And simple as that, you have your mango icy. Simple as that. Easy.
你能不能对着它呀？
No.
你让别人看这个桌子干什么？
Here's your mango icy right here. This is your mango icy. Oh wait, there's mango icy. Now time to die.
另外拿个东西去，滚，
Run.
快滚，快滚！
Run. There's ice cream on the table. So. I cut my finger. Okay, now it's time to eat. ice cream. Yum. This French vanilla ice cream still tastes different from the ones at the icy bar.
你应该把它们混在一起吃才好吃。
No, I don't want to. Yeah, so bye guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.